Rather than using zip ties, I'm using wire lacing, and there's a technique to installing this wire lace. You start at the end and you kind of just string it along until you get to a point where it makes sense to cut it off, and then you just continue on. And the result is you have a nicely bundled wire without having to use zip ties. To demonstrate the lacing technique, I'm going to use this short segment of 3 wires, though you can use it with larger bundles too, up to about 1 inch in diameter, according to Advisory Circular 43.13. Lacing cord comes on a spool. It's a flat woven braid that's impregnated with wax to give it extra grip. You'll measure out a length of lacing cord that's just a bit longer than the segment of wire you intend to bundle, and then just cut it with a pair of scissors. Okay, we're going to start with our wire bundle, put the thread over one end of it. We're going to form a clover hitch by going under and around the wire bundle once, and going a second time. Leave a hoop open so that you can pass the cord through it, and then pull it tight. And that's the start. And to make sure it doesn't go anywhere, put a small knot on the end of it by making a hoop. And then run the lacing cord around twice. So there's once, there's twice, and then pull to tighten this knot. And that's the starting knot. Now you're going to continue running the same lacing cord down the length of the wire. The next couple of knots are a little bit simpler, so they'll go a little faster. But to create an intermediate knot, go down a couple of inches, put your thumb there to hold the cord in place, and then take the lacing cord and go down around the front, come around the back, make a little loop, and pass the cord through that loop you just created. Pull it tight, and now you have one intermediate loop around your wire bundle. We'll go down a couple more inches and do the same thing again. So down around front, make a loop, pass the cord through the loop, and pull tight. For the last one, it's the same process, but you're going to add one more knot. So again, come down around the front, create the loop, pass the thread through the hoop, pull it tight. We're going to put one more knot in the end here just to make sure that this stays like an anchor, just like the first one. So to do that, lift up this a little bit, pass the thread through the end of it, come back around, and then do a little box knot by passing it through the loop once, twice, and then pull it tight. And that's it. You now have this section of wire all held together nicely with this lacing cord.